ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणम् तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं वा व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 राष्ट्रीय संस्कृत संस्थान book. I think this part we read in the last class. Kriya Parichayaha, right? Patati, Likati. Remember? You can take all these forms or the dhatus. You can derive the forms. So, like here, for example, I will send this table format. Kati, meaning to read. Sorry, pat means to read. So, Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam. Pat plus step. Step is when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Angavikra Dhatoho, Paraha, Ganavikrana Pratyaya comes. Then Pat is Yanga for Shep, Pat plus Shep is Yanga for Tip. Can Shep do any Yanga Karya? It is Sarvadhatuka Pit. Yes, but the Anga doesn't have Antyavarna Ik or penultimate Rasva Ik also. So therefore Anga Karya not possible. Pat plus I is Pata plus T, Patati form, right? Once you have Pata, then after that forms are easy. Pata plus Taha, Patataha. All these things are copy paste, right? I'll send this table. Will be useful for you just to do that, you know. Then similarly here, Bhagavachanam, there the Pratyaya, of course, the Pratyaya is different. Pratyaya is Tas, Tas, Tas. Sakara, Padanta Sakara becomes Ru, Ru becomes Repa, we know, right? Similarly here is also Pat plus Shab plus Pratyaya is, original Pratyaya is G. G will be replaced by Tip plus G, Titaha Anti. So Anti. So Pata plus Anti. So this step is, up to this step, Pata, up to that it's common. Pratyaya only changes. Pata plus Tip, Pata plus Tas, Pata plus Anti. Pata plus Anti, A plus Padarupa Santi, Patanti. Right? Similarly, here also Pata plus C becomes Patasi. Then Pata plus Tas, Patataha. pata plus tha, patata. Then Uttama Purusha, pata plus mip. What is the Angakarya here? This Padanta Rasvakara will become
Dirgha.
Dirgaha. So becomes Patami. Patami. Similarly, here also it is Patavaha, and here also Patamaha. Pata plus mas, pata plus vas. So lat lakara. So this table will be useful. Lat lakara we did, other lakara also later when we learn. Similarly, all the the dhatus here you can try. Lik dhatu. In fact, we saw in the last class. Lik will not become lekha. Why? Because it belongs to no, not apit. I mean, yeah, apit. What is apit? Okay, complete. What is apit?
No idea.
Because it belongs to the sixth conjugation where the Ganavikrana is sha. That is sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. Lik plus sha plus t. Lik plus sha plus t. Lik plus sha. Sha is sarvadhatuka shit pratyaya. Content is a, but it is not a pit. Therefore, no angakarya. Therefore, lik will not become lake. That's why likati. You can try. Okay. Like this. But okay. But it is not first conjugation. So this is though I have written Vadikana, it is not Vadikana. It is Tudadikana, sixth conjugation. Anyway, I just write here. It is Tudadi. Tudadikana. Tudadi is sixth conjugation, where the first dhatu is Tud. That also we can do. Tud means to strike. So Tud plus tip. See, it's simple. The same format only. Tud plus tip. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, tud plus shab plus, not shab, sorry. Corresponding ganavikarna will come, which is sha. Tud plus sha. Then tud is the anga for sha, and tud plus sha is the anga for tip. Content of sha is a. This is shit pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pratyaya. Shitvad sarvadhatukam. Shakara is it, therefore sarvadhatuka. Because thing shit sarvadhatukam. But is it pit? No, because pittum is not there. Pittum is not there, therefore we say it as apit. Because it is apit, apit will be nyitvat. Remember, last class we saw. Therefore, angakarya will not happen. When the pratyaya is kit or git or git, angakarya will not happen. Here it is apit, apitvat, nyitvat, like a nyit should be considered. Therefore, angakarya, the penultimate rasvait will not become to. Therefore, tud will remain as tud only. Tud plus a is tuda. Tuda plus t. Tuda, this is also, you can see, tip pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pratyaya, pit pratyaya, but anga ending with a, not ek letter. Penultimate cannot be vowel at all. So therefore, no angakarya possible with regard to tip. That's what happens for adantanga, first conjugation, sixth conjugation, fourth conjugation, sixth conjugation, as well as 10th conjugation. We will see. Now, sixth conjugation also we can see. Therefore, tudati. So, tuda plus tip. So, this part alone I just copy and do. Other forms are copy paste only. Tuda plus tas become tudataha. Tuda plus anti. Tuda plus anti, tudanti. Pratyaya is anti. Sandhi is varas rupasanti. Similarly, tuda plus sip. Tudasi. Similarly, tuda plus tas becomes tudataha. Padanta sakara ru and then repa visarga. Then tha. You can see the importance of sandhi. All these places sandhi we apply. That's why we learned sandhi at the beginning. Then tuda plus me, at same thing, adantanga. Tuda plus mi pratyaya, which is pratyaya is beginning with young letter. So this is also pit pratyaya. Anga karya cannot happen. Therefore, that anga karya, gunanga karya cannot happen. But this is ending with akara followed by yajnadi pratyaya, apadantakara. That's important. Therefore, a become a, then tudami. So once you have tudami, the same format, vas and vas, because Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Pratyas, or Yajnadi Pratyaya. Pratyaya beginning with young letter. So here it is, was Sakara at the end, therefore becomes Visargaha. Similarly, here also it is Mas Sakara at the end, Padanta Sakara. This is sixth conjugation. Likdata also belongs to this conjugation alone. Therefore, li will not become tud means to strike, to hit. Tudadi. The dhatu begin the gana beginning with the dhatu tud. Therefore, it is called tudadi gana. Same way lik dhatu. I think you can do it. Lik means to write. The ultimate is prasvait. Angakarya will not happen because the following is a pit sarvadhatuka pratyaya gana vikarna pratyaya. So lik plus tip. Lik plus tip. When a sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows, gana vikarna sha comes. Lik is the anga for sha. Lik plus sha is the anga for tip. Sha begins sarvadhatuka pratyaya, but apit. Therefore, even though rasvaikupada is angakarya will not happen. Therefore, just a joint melanam. So you have lika, lika plus t, likati. So simple like that. You can do for. Or once you have likati, then lika plus tas will be likataha. Lika plus anti would be likanti. Pararupasandhi. Pararupasandhi is an apavada to. In this case, it is apavada to savana dirgha sandhi. Original pratyaya, remember, tip plus G. We start with that. How that G and all become anti, that is out of scope. Don't worry about that. We cannot learn at this stage now. So that is sutra. That Jontaha, lot sutras are there. That is not required for us. We are in the beginning level. So not required. Lik plus sip, likasi. Similarly, lik plus tas. That is why original pratyaya also we learn, and pratyas corresponding to different lakaras also we learn. For parasmi pada pratyaya, if you see, it is same as original pratyaya. Tipta ji siptasta mipasmasta sorry, tiptas ji siptasta mipasmas. Titaha ji instead of ji anti. That is the only change. Rest are same. Tip is ti, content is ti. Ti, then taha, padanta sakara. G alone becomes anti. Siptasta si, padanta sakara ta anta. Then me, vaha, maha, same thing. So for latlakara, the pratyas are same as the original pratyaya. Except for G, G will be replaced by anti. Lik plus me becomes likami, devato. Yajnadi pratyaya pare apadanta akara will get dirghadesha. Similarly, lik plus lika plus vas, lika vas, padanta sakara become visargaha. Similarly, here also becomes vas and mas, padanta sakara, lika maha. Okay. So like that, you can do for the dhatus. Be familiar with the forms and the meaning. Also, know what are the dhatus. Pat dhatu, pat becomes patati, lik become likati, right? What about the kridati? Why it has not become kredati? Shouldn't become kredati?
Dhatu itself is creed.
Because
So,
it is
because
Upada is not a Hasva.
exactly, upada is creed. Dhatu is alanta dhatu. Dhatu ending with the consonant. Upada, therefore upada ending with consonant. Therefore, it cannot be iganta, right? Iganta karya cannot happen. Upada you have to see. What is upada letter? Upada letter is E. It's not rasva. So the dhatu, creed dhatu, first conjugation. Shap is there, but Sri Lanka karya cannot happen because it is not rasvaik. Upada. Nam, similarly here also, nam dhatu. Namati. You can learn something new, right? Namati. You can see dhatu pata. And then see how this, what is the original dhatu? Something, extra we will learn. All these things already we have seen and we have been learning many examples. So let us see, take dhatu pata. I'll open the dhatu pata. You can just see. Where will you look for the dhatu,
Index.
which conjugation and all, index. So nam dhatu. What is the first letter?
Nakara.
Nakara.
So that for nakara you have to see, right? Please see. Nakara, which varga?
Tavarga.
Tavarga, right?
Tavarga.
Please, if you see, please tell me. Please inform me where it is. I'll show you. Nakara is here, starting from
Mid-game.
here. Yeah. Naka, nata. Okay. Then nadi, narda, natra, nivasa, nishka, nati. Not there at all. Huh? From where it has come then? It is missing. This
must be
publisher intentionally has done messed up dhatu, right?
no, not nam dhatu then. Maybe
Maybe what? It is.
is it
Take dhatu kosha then. Again, dhatu kosha see in the alphabetical order. Tavarga, right? Tata da da na. Okay, let us see. Where is that? Nata, Tonadi. Same order it is there. Here also not the index of the dhatu pata alone is given, right? Same. You are following the index alone. Here also missing. Then how to find?
Is it some kind of idit dhatu or something where that num agama came?
So what? First letter will be first letter. Now, what is the third column? Third column is dhatu is refined. That is numagama or it letter is removed, right? Third column. Yes or no? Third column is
Yes.
now see the third column. From the very beginning, you have to see all the dhatus. Then you will find nam. Now I just scroll up. You will see nam. Let's do it slowly. You see. Here it is not that I know, that's why I'm moving it fast. I know where it is. So you can see. When it comes, you tell me. From here, you see. What is the dhatu here? Nesh. It has become
Nesh?
Dantya. Originally, it was Murdanya. Murdanya has become Dantya. Similarly, Nedra has become that also Dantya. So all the Murdanya and Nakara, Aupadeshika Dhatu, what has happened? It has become Dantya Nakara. Therefore, this Dhatu must be
Neshi.
Nam dhatu, nam,
Nam.
nam you will see. How it is, it has become, it's a rule. Now you see nam, nama,
Oh, wow.
trahvat, veshab, desha, that's a rule. Dhatvadehe no naha, sutra. That is, first column dhatus are Aupadeshika dhatus. In the Aupadeshika dhatu, meaning the dhatus and the dhatu pata, right? Having Murdhani Nakara as the first letter, Murdhanya. That should be replaced by Dantya Nakara. It's a rule. After that only we have to, we have to take it for processing. Deriving Kriya Pada. It's a rule. Not only for this, another one also I tell you. Similarly, you know how the word Upanishad comes? Upanishad is from the dhatu. Masters. So the Upa. Okay, I'll write and show you. Then you will know what it is. So these two things we can learn something new. See, if you really see, we are learning new. So it's only few things are new in the class. All other things are archamavi, no, pishtasya passionam only. Not nothing new. So just this at least two things new. Upa plus ni. What is the dhatu? How the word Upanishad comes? Upa ni are. Upanishad is a word. Right? Upa ni are what? Upasarga. Prefixes, right? Prefix. So dhatu is actually sad dhatu. Dhatu is sad. In fact, it is sadal. We'll see what it is in the dhatu pata. L is ita letter. So content is sad. Now upa ni sad. The sakara, how it has become Murdhani Shakara. I'm doing the reverse. Okay, little difficult maybe for you to understand, but try. I'm doing the reverse. How this actually should be Upanisad. Sad means Vishrana Gati Avasadana. That is the meaning. Disintegration, loosening, destroying. Gati, movement. That is the meaning of the dhatu. So it should be Upanisad. How it has become Upanishad? It means what change has happened? What's the change? Sakara?
It's become Murdhanya Shakara.
When does it happen? You know, when does it happen?
It is
Sakara. Sorry? When does it happen?
It has to be preceded by Atku, right? Inner ku.
Atku is for Natvam.
Sorry, Natvam, this inner ku.
Preceded by in Pratyahara letters, any of the letters, or ku, then what Sakara?
Apadanta.
Fine, very good. Again, what Sakara? Apadanta Sakara is one condition. Other conditions also there. Apadanta Sakara. Very good. It should be a Avayava of the Pratyaya. Pratyaya Avayavaha.
Or Adesha also, right? Sakara.
Very good. Or Adesha Sakara. Either the Sakara is a part of the Pratyaya, like so just Rameshu, remember?
Yes.
Rameshu, Supratyaya, Rameshu, Harishu, Gurushu. Or what? But here it is not a Pratyaya, it's a Dhatu, Sad, right? Is it a Pratyaya? No.
No.
Is it a Pratyaya?
No.
No. Say it strongly. It's not a Pratyaya,
No.
it is a Dhatu, right?
Yes.
Therefore, if it is Dhatu, then this is either should be a Pratyaya Sakara, Avayava of the Pratyaya Saka, or Adesha. Therefore, the Sakara must be
Adesha Sakara.
Adesha means
it should be
Replacement.
What is replaced here? What is replaced?
Shakara is replaced.
Huh?
I don't know.
What is, I'm asking simple question. What is replaced?
Sthani, which is Sakara.
What is replaced?
Is Sakara.
Replaced is Sakara. That means
What got
Sakara is the
replaced?
Adesha. You
Yeah,
understand?
what got replaced? Thani.
What got replaced? Not what got replaced. What replace? What? See, the not what got replaced. What replaces?
Ah,
What they ask? Did I ask what is replaced? No.
yeah.
Okay. My question probably wrong. I want what replaces the what is substitute? Okay. Substitute is Sakara. Sakara has come. Sakara. See, what I meant is Sakara is the Adesha, right?
Yes.
It should be Adesha. Then only it can become Mudani Shakara.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
This Sakara must be a Adesha Sakara. It's not a Dhatu. Sorry, it's not a Pratyaya. Therefore, because it is a Dhatu, therefore it is not a Pratyaya Sakara, not part of the Pratyaya. It
Yes.
must be the Adesha Sakara. So Sakara is the Adesha. So Sakara must have
Come
come, must have come.
Yes.
Come means, it must have come means, then there must have been something before. Right?
Yes. In what place it has come?
What place it has come? So what place Sakara has come? What place Sakara has come? It has
That's
come.
what-
Sakara has come in the place of Mudane Shakara.
Okay.
Sakara has come in the place of
More than Nishakara.
Mudane Shakara. And because of again Shatvam, the Sakara has become Shakara.
Okay, got it.
It means, I know I said no in the beginning, it's a little bit confusing because I'm deliberately doing this, taking this example. Therefore, what is the original Dhatu?
Shad.
Exactly, that is the original Dhatu. Shad. Shadala is the original Dhatu.
Okay.
Therefore, Upa plus Ni plus Shad, like a Mudani Nakara replaced by Sakara, what we saw.
Yes.
Similarly, Dhatu beginning with Murdanya Shakara, that Shakara should be
Become
replaced by
Sakara.
Sakara. It's a rule.
Adesha.
Now this has become Adesha Sakara. Because it is Adesha Sakara, we can apply our
Shatvam.
Shattam rule. It
And
becomes again back to Shakara, therefore
Mudanya.
Upanishad. You got
Okay.
it?
Yes.
Okay.
What
If you
does
don't
Shad
understand,
mean again, Charanji?
same meaning Shadra, actually Shadra is Gati Vishrana Avasadhaneshu. That is in the sense of loosening, disintegration or movement in the Upanishad. The Bhashyam Mundaka Upanishad beginning itself, Bhashyakara, he gives a Vyutpatti of the word Upanishad. Vishrana Gati Avasadhaneshu. Each word he explains, and Dhatu also he says how the word Upanishad comes. Upani Purvasya Shadra Dhatu Kipratya Yojagitva Upanishad iti Rupam Siddhyati. And the meaning of each dhatu it takes and how it is applicable. No, the meaning is applicable in the context Upanishad. Brahma Gamayati Gatyartha. And this loosens, samsara, it loosens, destroys. Therefore, Upanishad. That's why we say Upanishad is ignorance, destroyer of ignorance. Okay, anyway, the point is here, Shadala is the original dhatu. Okay, so Dhatu beginning with Murdanya Shakara. I give another example. Dhatu beginning with Murdanya Shakara is replaced by Dantya Sakara. It's a rule. Okay. Now let us take another Dhatu. What is a word for bathing? Or yeah.
Snanam.
The word Snanam is it is I'm asking the Kriya Padam. Okay. Snanam is fine. Snanam is bathing. Snati.
Snati. Okay.
Again here also Tipratya. Snati. Ti remove it. What is the
Sna.
this Ganavikarana is not there because this is belongs to second conjugation. Shab comes and Shab becomes Lopa, goes away. It becomes look, goes away. Snati only will be there. Now, you will not see this Dhatu in the Dhatu Pata. You please see where it is in the Dhatu Pata. Sna Dhatu, you will not see.
Shna.
Dantya Sakara Dhatu, Sna. Please see, you will not see the Dhatu. It is
Shna.
first let us see Sakara. You please see, do you have Sna anywhere here?
No. Spoon.
Pakara, then this side, that side, both side. You can see Sna. Sna is Tantya, fourth Varga. So now here.
Mm.
Styai, Stage, Stood, Stula. After that, Spadi only is there. There is no Sna.
Yes.
Alphabetical order, if you see. Not there, right?
No.
Therefore, where will you find this?
No.
Go to Dhatu Kosha. Dhatu Kosha also, as in the Dhatu Pata index, you will not see. You will not see Sna Dhatu at all. You see Sakara. So you will not see. But see now the third column. I just scroll up. You can see. Now you will see.
Yeah, there.
Shna
You just
Shauche.
skipped it, Charanji. Next page.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Shna
You see,
Shauche.
Sna is a.
Hmm.
What is the Aupadeshika Dhatu?
No.
Shna.
Murdanya Shakara is there, right?
Yes.
That is, Dhatu beginning with Murdanya Shakara should be replaced by
Dantya Sakara.
Dante Sakara. So, Aupadeshika Dhatu is Murdanya Shakara, Shna, right?
Yes.
That Shakara should be replaced by
Sakara.
Sakara. Then what will happen now? It should be Snaden. How can be Dante Nakara?
That is also getting replaced.
Yes, that is also getting replaced because originally it is now only. Because this Sakara has become Mudani Shakara, then Shtutva Sandhi will happen, and because of that Shtutva Sandhi becomes Nakara. Na. Now what we are doing? We are replacing Mudani Shakara by Sakara, and this also back to square one will also get. When the cause is removed, the effect also goes away. Nimitta paye, naimittika payaha. The cause for causing murdanya, that here, nattam happens because the sakara is replaced by murdanya shakara. Now what we do? We are replacing murdanya shakara by dantya sakara. Therefore, this murdanya also will become
Nakara.
dantya. Therefore, only sna. Got it?
Yes.
Nimittapaya. See, what is the cause? When the cause is removed, the effect also will go away. If the cause is the bija, the seed is removed, what will happen to the vriksha? Vriksha also will go away. Once you roast the seed, it cannot sprout. So this is a paribhasha. In fact, what I said was a paribhasha. It is used in Vedantic context also. Nimitta apaya. Apaya means removal. Nimitta apaye, naimittika apayaha. When the nimitta, the cause is removed, the effect also goes away. Right? When the fire is put out, smoke also goes away. Right? It's like that. So therefore, Shna Murdani, what the point here is, in the Dhatu Pata, Aupadeshika Dhatus. Remember, Aupadeshika Dhatus beginning with Murdanya Nakara
Murdanya Shakara.
or Murdanya Nakara. Okay, and
Shakara.
Shakara should be replaced by
Nakara and Dantya Sakara.
It's a rule. Datva dehe nonaha shahasaha. Replaced by Nakara and Sakara respectively. Two rules put together I am writing.
Yes.
Okay, now similarly another example I will give. You know the Tishtati, right?
Yes.
Tishtati. First conjugation. Tip pratyaya remove. Then here also it because of shat. That
Yes.
also you remove. Then what you have?
Tisht.
Tisht. You will not see this dhatu in the dhatu pata at all.
Mhm.
You try. You will never get this. You check for yourself. You will not get this. You remember I told pa will become piba,
Yeah,
gra will become jigra, irregular dhatu, somebody said, right?
yes.
That's Prakashi, right? Similarly, this tishta also, there is a dhatu called sta dhatu. When shit pratyaya follows, that becomes tisht. Tishta, okay, tisht. So therefore, what is the upadeshika dhatu?
Stha.
Sta is the upadeshika dhatu. Any doubt in that?
No.
Pa, gra, sta, all these are upadeshika dhatu. What happens to the pa dhatu? Pa means to drink. Pineka pani. Pani we say, right? Panam.
Yes.
That pa becomes piba. That's why we get pibati, pibataha, pibanti. Similarly, gra become jigra. Jigrati, jigrataha, jigranti. Sta also replaced by tisht. Therefore, tishtati, tishtataha, tishtanti. Similarly, gam becomes
Gach.
gach. Gachati, gachataha, gachanti. Da becomes yach. Yachati, yachataha, yachanti. Yes or no? All these things we saw in the last class. Yes or no?
Yes.
Remember? So, sta dhatu becomes tishta. Tishtati. Therefore, what is the upadeshika dhatu?
Stha.
Sta is upadeshika dhatu. Will you see this in the dhatu pata?
We will
The
Yes.
see.
question is that. Huh?
Yes, you should.
Stha we should see.
You will not see because
Stha we should see, right?
no, sta you will not see. Why? Because sakara has come. Sakara
Okay.
has come means what could be the upadeshika dhatu?
Shaka.
Could have been
Shta.
murdanya. It cannot be sta also. It cannot say sta. It doesn't exist.
Oh.
What will happen? Shakara in contact, sorry, takara. Two in
Ha.
contact with shakara.
Ta will also become
Tha. Murdhani.
Tha. Therefore,
ta.
Tha is the original dhatu. This is what you will see in the dhatu pata. Okay. Want to see? Please see. Here itself we can see dhatu pata, dhatu kosha. Mudanya shakara. You will see shta dhatu. Here shna here. That's what we saw. Right? Shna dhatu, second conjugation, adadi. Shta dhatu, first conjugation. Do you see here shta? Shta. Therefore, see, you get the raw product. Shta is a raw product. You have to refine it. Prepare it for operation, further operations. Operation is adding pratyayas. Because it is beginning with mudanya shakara, replaced by sakara. And takara, how it has come? Because it was mudanya shakara, shtuttam happened, takara has come. Now when shakara itself is replaced by sakara, what will happen to takara? Back to tantya letter, which is takara. Understand? Therefore, sta. Therefore, sta is the original dhatu. I mean, sta is the original dhatu. Sta is the dhatu rupam, what we derived from shta dhatu. So note this. Sta is the original dhatu. It becomes sta. In other cases, these are the upadeshika dhatu. Pa, gra, gam. That's fine. Gam means gum with the ether letter gamlu. I'm not writing the ether letter. But in this case, shta must be the upadeshika dhatu. That becomes sta, and that too will become tisht when shit pratyaya follows. That is in our case, latlakara. What happens? Sta plus sha plus tip. Because the pratyaya beginning with the shit, is a shit pratyaya. Shakara is ether letter. The pratyaya is shit pratyaya follows sta. Therefore, sta is replaced by tisht. Therefore, tisht plus sha plus ti. Therefore, you get
Tishtati.
tishtati. What is the meaning of tishtati?
Stand up.
Stand.
Right.
Tishtati dwells, remains. That is the meaning. Suppose if it is Utta plus tishtati.
Uttishtati.
Arise.
Arise. Get up. Uttishta. Get up. Uttishta. Jagrata. Prapyavara. Nibodhata. Uttis. Upasarga. Upasargas are padam.
Padams.
Tishtati is another padam. Therefore, we should do sandhi. What is sandhi?
Ud. Plus
First, just for sandhi, you do it first. Don't forget that. Then
chat.
chartvam we have to do, because this is a kar letter follows. The word jal will be replaced by uttishtati. Okay, the uttishtati dhatu also we saw in the last class, where in these Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthan book it is there. Uttishtati. You see that? Okay, you understand? So two things we have seen. Dhatu beginning with murdanya nakara will be replaced by
Dantya.
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 Dhatu beginning with murdanya shakara should be replaced by.
Dantya sakara.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Sharanji, even
Yeah.
that Murdhanya Tha got replaced by Dantya Tha. So is that the same rule or some other Sandhi rule I don't know about?
Which one? Which is
In Tishtati, it was Tha. And because we changed Sakara to Shakara, you said even the
this is not-
Shakara
this-
should be changed
you're talking about tishtati, right? Tisht here.
Yeah.
You're talking about this tisht or talking about sta or sta.
I'm talking about Shta changing to Stha.
Okay.
So when you were explaining, you said that Shakara, because it is Murdhanya, it becomes Dantya Sakara. And then you said if that is changing, then of course, then Thakara should become Thakara. So I'm wondering, is it because of the same rule or is there some other Sandhi rule?
Same rule. What do you mean by same rule?
This same rule where the Murdhanya letter becomes the Dantya letter.
Only the first letter, which is Murdanya Shakara, only becomes Sakara. I didn't say second letter, third letter and all.
Yes.
Second letter could be any letter. In this case, it happened to be Tha is there. So you will never see Murdanya letter and Dantya letter,
Together.
coming together. You will never see. Like for example, Sa is Dantya and Murdanya. You will never see like this. Sandhi will happen. Dantya and Murdanya, Sandhi will happen, barring the exceptions. You have to learn these Shutta Sandhi, Shutta Sandhi. There are three exceptions in that. Barring the exceptions. You will never see Dantya and Murdanya or Murdanya Dantya, whatever may be the combination, coming together at all, barring the exceptions. So this being a Dantya, this being a Murdanya, this is the Sakara we replaced. Don't replace Sakara again by Shtuta Sandhit. Don't replace this by Shakara. What's the point in then replacing Murdanya Shakara by Sakara? We have to understand this is Murdanya letter. Therefore, in that place, there must have been Tavarga letter, Dantya letter. Takara being the second letter, therefore Tavarga also, that must have been a second letter. That's what we do. Right?
Yes.
Therefore, sta. This sta is, therefore, after replacing Murdanya Shakara by Sakara, we get the form sta. And this sta also, because when the Shit Pratyaya follows, replaced by Tisht. Okay. Here the Tisht, that is Tisht as such, nothing else. It is like that only. Okay. So today we have seen these two rules. Datva Deghe Shahasaha No Naha. Okay. Understand this two. Is it clear?
Yes.
So in the Aupadeshika Dhatu, in the Dhatu Pata, what happens? The Dhatu beginning with Murdhanya Shakara, replace it by corresponding Dantya Sakara. Dhatu beginning with Murdhanya Nakara, replaced by corresponding Dantya Nakara. It's a rule. Okay. Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is
Sharanji,
this
I
one
have a
thing.
question.
Yeah.
Shna, it became sna, dirgha itself. But didn't the Anunasika it letter, akara, go away?
You said not Anunasika. Who said Anunasika?
But shna is the Upadeshika dhatu, right? Given dhatu.
Yeah.
Normally, the last.
What about Bu Dhatu? Bu also doesn't have any, it's only one lettered, one bubbled Dhatu. If Bu also goes away, then problem. Huh?
Correct. So, I'm sure I'm not understanding some rule there.
There is no rule. That is, not all the Dhatus have a packing letter. Not all Dhatus have a packing letter.
Okay.
We never said like that. Did we say? No. Dhatus may have packing letter, may not have packing letter. If packing letter is not there, like Bu Dhatu packing letter is not there, then we have to imagine the packing letter. Imagine the packing letter, the Swara is Udata. That is how we have to take it. It's not rule. It's not written. I'm just saying. So we have to consider the imagined packing letter. The Swara of the packing letter is not Anudata. It is Udata. Therefore, it must be Parasmipada. Like that. That's why Bu Dhatu, first Dhatu of the Dhatu Pata, doesn't have any packing letter. Bu is a Dhatu. Please see. That's why I didn't explain that, because it will be confusing. That's why I didn't explain that time. Not confusing. It may cause confusion. That's why. So that small thing will be, gnawing your mind. That's why I didn't say all those things that time. So nagging always. That's Bu Sattayam. Second one, at least we have two vowels. One is Anunasika Ach, other one is Anunasika. Packing letter is this nasalized Ach, which is Dha, Edha. What about Bu? And he has given Udatta, Udattet. What does it mean? Does it have two vowel? To say the first Swara of the first vowel is Udatta, and Swara of the second vowel, which is a Ith letter, is Udatta. Where is second vowel? Not there at all. It's an imagined Anunasika letter, and the Swara of that imagined Anunasika letter is, it is Udatta, and it is Ith letter.
So can we
Okay.
generalize as when there is only one vowel within the dhatu that belongs to the dhatu that is not it?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Okay.
The rule is only when the given only for Atmanepada. Atmanepada dhatu are those dhatus whose, which those dhatus will have, you will see the Anudata, that the Anunasika Ach letter having the Swara, Anudata, or if the packing letter, if it is a consonant, and the packing letter, the consonant must be Akara as a Ith letter. So Ngit Pratyay, Ngit Dhatu. Any one of them is enough for a Dhatu to be an Atmanepadam. The rest are Parasmipadi.
Yes.
The rest are Parasmipadi. That is Sutra, rule. Sheshaha, Sheshat Kartari Parasmipadam. Is there. Shesha means leftover, Baki. All are Parasmipada. Parasmipadi Dhatu only. Okay.
Sharanji, I have a question about this actually. So when I was doing the homework, I noticed that I was doing that Idit Dhatu homework, and I still don't understand when we allot the Anudatta and when we allot the Udatta for the It letter. If it is E, in some words it says it's Anudatta, some words it's saying it's Udatta. I don't understand.
Why we allot? You cannot allot. Why do you
recognize? How do we recognize? Because, for instance, in the word khadi, so it becomes khadi in the dhatu, and then that e, the it letter, there's according to the dhatu kosha, it is a anudatta and becomes atmanepadi. But in guji, it becomes guji, and that same e in the end, the it letter, it says it is udatta and it is parasmaipadi. So The same letter.
So what? Same letter. Same letter means does it means the same swara? Swara is different, therefore one is Parasmipadi, other one is Atmanipadi. If the swara is Anudata.
How do I find out whether it is what the swara is? By pronouncing?
Not by pronouncing. Okay. By pronouncing you will find out. It's a chanting adverb. How do you find out? You see Dhatupata. That's Dhatupata, that's the line what we see.
Yeah.
That tells you.
That tells me. But my question is, if I didn't reference these, is there any way that I would know for myself?
If you don't reference Dhatupata.
Yeah.
Then you have to sit in Samadhi and meditate only. There is no other way.
Okay.
If you get, you will get.
Okay, fine. So we have to reference these tables and learn it by heart.
Otherwise, how will you get?
Okay,
Otherwise, right, who am I? Suddenly you will get, who am I? I am that Brahman, knowledge. Come on.
I thought there's some formula I am missing.
What form? No formula. Just will. Refer to the book or go to the teacher. Tadvidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. There is no other way. You have to check the Dhatupata. Dhatupata. This is, instead of Dhatupata, Swaraj, everything is given. And this is what is given here as Parasmipadi in the column number 6. Sixth column. Because A means it is Anudata. Yes, sorry, here. It is this one, P, column number 7. P is that is whatever may be the, suppose if it is the ith letter is the dhatu, it must be having the swara other than Anudata. Must be, P means Parasmipadi. Therefore, the swara must be Udata. All these, P means Udata. U means the swara must be Swarita. Okay, I'm telling something new. U means the swara of the ith letter must be Swarita, because it can be, U means Ubhayapadi. Ubhaya means both, either or that, right? Can take either of the pratyaya. That is either Atmanepada pratyaya or Parasmippada pratyaya. It has two forms. U. Therefore, the swara of the ith letter must be Swarita. And similarly, A is for the dhatu Smi. Smitamukhi comes in Lalita Sahasranamam. Smitamukhi. That is for Smi is smile. Smi is smile. So smile, the English word has come from Smi, right? Smi from Smi dhatu only. So it's A is, therefore what will be the, here, okay.
Udata.
Not Udata, because Nakara itself is there. Nakara itself is there, ith letter. It's a Ngita dhatu.
Atmanipadi.
Therefore Atmanipadi. You can see the dhatu itself. Ngita dhatu, Atmanipadi. And U, therefore,
Ubhayapadi.
Swarita. So that Nakara is there. Okay, the 10th conjugation. 10th conjugation, it can take either of that. Any of the pratyaya, don't worry about that. Then here U is Ubhayapadi. The ith letter is A. The A must be having the swara Swarita. That's why it is U. P, Parasmipadi. A means
Atmanipadi.
Shvashka. Here the first letter, ith letter must be having the swara Anudata. That's why Atmanipadi. You can note here, Aupadeshika Jatu is Shvashka, but it has not become Svaska. Apavada to Apavada.
Yes.
Apavada to Apavada. There are some dhatus like that. Don't focus on that. Apavada to Apavada. So it means that there are only few dhatus. So you need not worry about that. Okay, when it comes, you will learn. Shvaska, Shvaska only. They are called Shopadesha Dhatavaha. Exception, don't worry about that. Generally, dhatu beginning with Murdhani Shakara will be replaced by Danti Sakara. That is the Utsarga common rule we apply. These dhatus and all, we are not going to see in the near future. Don't worry. Okay. So this is the rule. In fact, Tattva Dekhe Shaha Saha. So Shakara at the beginning, this is what we later in the Sutra, we study here and we learn. That the Shakara at the beginning of a dhatu as an initiate in the dhatu pata replaced by Sakara. This is what I said. Example, there's a dhatu Shvada will become Swad. Nishvip. Ni is ith letter. Shwap is the content. So it becomes Swap. Swapiti, sleeps, dreams. This is dhatu. Swapna. This is a dhatu. Similarly, Shaha. Sahanam Sarvadukkanam. That is Sakh dhatu. Similarly, shunj.
Su.
Nakara is a itha letter. Therefore, dhatu is ubhayapadi. Dhatu having this, that palatal letter, anunasika letter, then it is ubhayapadi. Su. Then shicha becomes sich. This is shakara becomes sakara. All these are examples. Shna dhatu, what we saw now. Shnik dhatu.
Sharanji, in the second one, how do we know that ni becomes the it letter?
Yes, where is second one?
Second one, yeah.
Don't worry. You will not learn now.
Okay.
All you cannot know. Huh? All you know then means magica. Huh?
I
Not
always
possible.
feel that I missed the class, so that's why I asked.
You go through all recordings step by step. You will see.
I'm going through.
Okay, coming back now. So up to this. So upavishati. Upa is upasarga.
Upasarga.
Ti is pratyaya. What is the dhatu here? Left out.
Vish dhatu.
Fish.
Why it has not become vesh?
It must be 6 conjugate.
Exactly. It must be belonging not to first conjugation. That is certain. V has not become ve.
Wait. Yeah.
Therefore, it must be like lik dhatu become vish is sixth conjugation. Right?
Yes.
Pashyati, what is the dhatu? This is also irregular dhatu. Prakash ji.
Drish dhatu.
Drish.
Dhatu is drish. In fact, the dhatu is, with the itha letter, it is drishir. Dhatu is drishir dhatu. But that becomes, content is drish. It is drishir. Content is drish. And that also for latlakara becomes pashya, replaced by pashya, irregular dhatu. Therefore, pashyati you get. Okay, it's all irregular. Some of the irregular dhatus. That's what we are going to see later. Irregulars, important dhatus actually, that we will see later. So now already some of them we know. Some more will come. Okay, so all these the dhatu now. Fine. Now let us do some exercise. So this format I will send you. You can do the dhatus of that whatever we read now, just all those dhatu, 2 pages are there. You try. You do it. Once you have to try it. All at least some 10-15 dhatus you have to do. Patati, likati, kridati. So here all the dhatus you try. Only in latlakara. This also. You try. Okay. Now let us do this. What is the first one? Sindhuraji.
Uttishtati.
Second one, Sonali, what is that?
Namati.
Namati.
Namati. Only that person will answer. Huh? Third one, Savitriji.
It is there prakshalayati already.
Pra is
Upasarga.
upasarga, dhatu. So, prakshalayati. We will see this dhatu later. I mean, the conjugation is different. That all conjugations we cannot see. That it's first conjugation only we are seeing. Next one. Okay, you can. Oh, all these are given now. Okay. Brahmati is
Brahm.
Oh,
Brahm, wandering, moving around. Snati, just now we saw. What is the Upadeshika dhatu?
Shna.
Na. Then Archati, what is the dhatu, Prakashji?
Upasarga. Char.
Archati, Upasarga.
No.
Where is is Upasarga?
Archa.
Archa dhatu, is not. There is no Upasarga. Only is there. Kadati, Sonali, what is the dhatu?
Khad.
Kad, simple. Sundaraji, Pibati is there. What is the dhatu?
Pa.
Pa dhatu. Yes. What is the next one, Savitriji?
Chalati.
Chalati, okay. Next one, Prakashi. Arohati is there. What is the dhatu?
Ruh.
Yeah, very good. Now you can say is the
Upasarga. Ruh.
Ru has become Ro. Guna has happened. Angakarya, right?
Yes.
Ru, Upada is Ru, U become O. All this you can do mentally. You don't have to do anything. Ru becomes, Ru is Upada is equalator, U, Rasvaik become
Guna.
O. Therefore, Shab follows. Must be belonging to first conjugation. Then only Ru will become Ro. If
Yes.
Ruk Dhatu belongs to any of the conjugation, it will not become Roha.
Ruha. Should have become.
Angakarya cannot happen with any other Gana Vikrana Pratyaya. Because Gana Vikrana Pratyaya, with Gana Vikrana Dhatu plus Gana Vikrana Pratyaya, with regard to thing ending with A, it is only for 1, 4, 6, 10. 10th conjugation completely different. We will see later. Ruled out. 6th conjugation, Angakarya cannot happen. 4th conjugation, it will be ending with Ya. Ya is not there. Shan is the Gana Vikrana. It has to be only first conjugation. Okay. Again, I repeat, you see. The Anga ending with Akara. It's called Adanta Anga with regard to Ting Pratyaya. Here, A you remove it. A you remove it. Upasarga. Ti also you remove it. What is left out?
Roh plus A.
Roha. Roha is the Anga with regard to Tip. Anga ending with A. Adanta Anga. Therefore, it must be either the Dhatu, whatever Dhatu, it must be belonging to 1, 4, 6, 10. As I said, 10th conjugation Dhatu will have 2 vowels. Therefore, this is ruled out. Okay. 4th conjugation, you will have it Yakara as a letter. Yakara will be there. Don't worry about that. We are not seen. That is also not there. So now the competition is between first conjugation and 6th conjugation. Either the Dhatu has to be Rog or the Dhatu has to be Ruk. Only 2 possibilities. That you can check the Dhatu pattern and find out. You will never see the Dhatu Rog Dhatu. Not there. You will have only Ruk. If you see, Ruk Dhatu will be there. Therefore, must be belonging to the first conjugation. Like that, you can narrow it down. To some extent, it is possible. You can find out. No, you cannot exactly know. For all the Dhatus, which conjugation, not possible. To some extent, you can narrow it down. But little knowledge, only. Then narrow it down. Okay, this is the easy way to narrow it down to which Gana it is. Sometimes it could be a 4th conjugation where the lik dhatu or vish dhatu, like pravishati, pra plus visha plus ti. The visha is there. Okay, that is visha. Or some other dhatu having the upada letter as guna letter itself may be possible. Some dhatu. Then you cannot make it as a first conjugation. It may be 6th conjugation. Okay. Therefore, possibility is there. Okay. But if we can narrow it down, if we narrow it down and then see whether it dhatu is there or not in the dhatu pata. Most of the time, we will get it. Okay. I'm not saying this is you will get it. Most of the time, you will find out. Okay. Therefore, dhatu is Ru. Ru must have become Ro. Angakarya has happened. Okay. Fine.
The 6th conjugate because it's Apit Angakarya.
Yeah, Sha is Apit.
Yeah.
So Angakarya cannot happen.
Correct.
Suppose if the Dhatu itself is Rog, then what will happen? Dhatu itself is Rog. Possible, right?
Yes.
But there is no such Dhatu in this case. But there could be Dhatu whose penultimate letter could be a H letter. A, O, I, O, possible, right? So in that case, that will be belonging to 6th conjugation, we can say, or first conjugation, anyone. Then we don't know. Then we have to find out. Find out from the Dhatu pata. It must be either belonging to first conjugation or 6th conjugation. Either one of the 2. Okay. And that you will know once you get familiar with the familiarity with the dhatus. You'll come to know. So as he said now, Ruk, I don't know how we know, because maybe you would have seen the last class or he knows it before itself. So that's a So by being familiar, you will get it. See, all the language is by familiarity only, right? So Upavishati, Dhatu is, we can just, in this case, we can clearly tell it
Wish.
must be
Wish.
not belong to first,
First-
the first
It is
conjugation.
first
Not
conjugation.
first conjugation,
Why?
sixth conjugation. Upada is wish. Be.
Wish.
How can
Wish.
be first conjugation? If it is wish, it be first conjugation, it must have become wish.
Yes.
It is not.
Yeah,
Therefore, it is sixth
Sixth
conjugation. In this
conjugation.
case, it's very clear. You can
Yes. Yes.
easily narrow it down. That must be sixth, not 10th conjugation, not fourth
Yes.
conjugation, either, not even first conjugation. Here,
Yes.
we don't have to now. We don't have to even think of first conjugation. Not possible at all. If first conjugation shab comes, shab will cause angakarya. We would have become ve.
Way. Yeah.
It has to be sixth conjugation.
Yes.
Whereas what about creed dhatu?
Can be first
That-
also or sixth.
Sixth also
Fifth.
possible, but it is first conjugation that you can find out from the dhatu kasha. That
Okay.
yeah, Prakashji, this we cannot say conclusively. This is first conjugation or sixth conjugation. We cannot say. Upada is dirgha.
Dirgha.
Angakarya not possible even when shab follows.
Yes.
And Angakarya, of course, is not possible when Sha follows.
Yes.
So anyway, Angakarya not possible. Therefore, how do you know first or sixth? Better refer the Dhatu Kosha. It is
Yes.
first conjugation.
Yes.
So now you know first conjugation. So slowly samskara will develop. So whenever you see the Dhatu, you know it is first conjugation. Avatarati, getting
Tar.
down.
Ava.
Tara.
Tar. Tar means what must have been the Dhatu? There is no Tar Dhatu.
Tru.
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 Har.
Ar is Guna letter.
Guna.
So therefore the dhatu could be tr or tru. Whether it is rasva or dirgha, what will happen? Ar only. Right? But it is tru dirgha. Please note. Not rasva. Because rasva, rikaranta, that tru dhatu not there. Okay. What is number 17? What is he doing?
Pravishati.
Walking.
Prasarga.
Walking can say pravishati. Does he enter anywhere?
Enters. Entering.
Where does he enter? I'm asking about 17th, okay? Not 13th.
Sorry.
Walking.
He's just
Walking.
Chalati.
Gachati, Brahmati, Chalati, anything. Pravishati already we saw. What about 18?
Darshana.
Pashyati.
Pashyati.
Very good. Pashyati. Then 14
Patati.
Patati.
and 19 is given Vaddhadhatu. Vaddhadhatu, which conjugation? 1 or 6?
1.
It's 1, but can be 6 also, right?
Yeah.
But it is 1 only, correct. 15,
Likati.
Likati.
Dhatu is
Lik.
lik. Which conjugation?
Sixth.
Sixth conjugation. Nidrati. Nidrati is
Vidra?
then Dhatu is Nidra only. Don't worry, yeah?
Oh.
Oh.
Nidra.
Okay.
In fact, this Dhatu is there, not there in the Dhatu Pata also. This to check because it's not in the Dhatu Pata, but such word is there in the language. Nidrati. Okay. I'm seeing the Nidrati, the word only here. Okay, that Dhatu not there in the Dhatu Pata. You will not find. Okay, we'll see that what is later. Now. We can do this exercise. Each one of you can try. The last class we are doing this 24th. Start from Savitriji. Singular, dual, plural.
Kaha patati, kau patataha, ke patanti.
Very good. No. Yeah, it's okay. Next one. Next person. Sindhuraji.
कः लिखति कौ लिखतः के लिखन्ति
Sonalaji. Read that.
Pratah kah kujati. Pratau.
Pratah is avyaya. Become prato. Pratah only.
Okay.
Indeclinable. This indeclinable already discussed. Pratah, Antah, Sayam. They are avyaya. You cannot decline
Okay.
that. Yeah.
Okay, so then it is Pratah kau kujatah. Is that
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then Pratah ke kujanti.
Prakash.
मकरः कुत्र अस्ति मकरौ कुत्र स्तः मकराः कुत्र सन्ति
Santi. Kutra is also like Kutra is avyaya, right? Sonalaji. Similarly, Prataha is also avyaya, indeclinable. Okay, next one, Savitraji.
सः तत्र अस्ति तौ तत्र स्तः ते तत्र सन्ति.
If you do Sandhi, which Sandhi you try?
Okay. सः सस्तत्रोऽस्ति.
Tatrasti.
Oh, sorry, tatra.
Why Tatro? Where is Visarga?
Tatra is, no, sorry, yeah, tatra asti. Yeah.
Sastatrasti.
Sastatrasti.
It becomes somewhat like this is form.
Tatrasti.
Sastatrasti. Sandhi.
Yeah.
That's why Sandhi is important. You'll see like this. If you know down Sandhi, how will you split? Then Visarga, it is Saha, then it is Ta. Then Tau.
Okay. Tau tatra. Tatrasti.
Tatrastha.
Tatrastha, sorry. Tatrastha. Tatrastha. And then te tatra.
No Sandhi. No Sandhi will happen. Another Vachana. Okay.
Yeah.
Sindharaji. Saha kaha asti. What is Sandhi here?
Saskas.
No, she will tell. Sindharaji.
Saha followed by ka jihva muliya, optionally. Kaha will be, will it become ko? Followed by a, preceded by a, so Uttvam and Guna, ko asti.
Yes, Saha, how that Jihva muliya, tell me.
Sakara Adesha.
Sakara Adesha?
In the place of Visarga. Oh, that's not that. For ka, kha, and pa, pha, it is Jihva Muliya.
No. Visarga is dropped for Saha Neshaha.
Oh, correct. Yes.
Oh, that is a Sandhi. Oh, Sandhi.
Right.
That was Sakosti.
Sakosti, oh my God.
That is a Sandhi. So the word will be like that suppose in the manuscript and all, if you see like, no, the word will be like this.
Oh.
Sorry.
Wow.
This also my manuscript will not give. This is a publisher gives. It will be like this, Sakosti. Then you will see the dictionary. What is Sakosti? You know, Chakosti was some eatable, look at Spanish food or something. Sakosti. You will never see the dictionary. Sakosti. What is Sakosti? Ikaranta Shabda. Sakosti, Sakostayaha. You will never get Tandi. That is why it's important. This Saha Kaha Asti, you have to split simple sentence. Where is he? That is the what that has become Sakosti. Okay, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam.
Tau ke staha te
Tau kau. No, not ke.
Tau staha te ke santi.
Sanskritam, it's difficult only. You have to use appropriate Vachanam, ke and all. Okay, next one. Sonalaji.
Saha shishyah asti. Sau shish.
Tau, not sau. Sau is 100 in Hindi.
Oh. Tau?
It is tau, yes. Saka taute.
Oh, yeah. Tau, sorry. Tau shishyau staha.
Staha.
Staha. Saha tau te. Te Shishyaha santi.
Now the time what you take to recollect the Shabda and placing it in the place of that should happen in a split second, microsecond. That's a practice. Prakash ji. Prakash ji. Unmute, please.
Yes, sir. तत्र किम् अस्ति किं के कानि तत्र के स्तः
किं कानि?
तत्र कानि सन्ति.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good practice for the brain also. You know, this is like mathematical puzzle. You have to fix it, the appropriate dvivachanam is the dvivachanam word. Both the noun and the verb has to be replaced. And if there are visheshana, that also to be replaced accordingly. It's a good practice.
Charanji, even the 20 should be sa tatra asti, right?
Where is 20?
20, the whatever I said, saha tatra asti should also be sa tatra asti, right? Because saha followed by.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you're right.
I made a
Thanks.
mistake. I say sastra. That's wrong.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you're right. Satatra asti. Yes, you're sorry. I also didn't check that. It was not alert. My mistake. Yes. Satatra asti only it is.
Yes. Tatra asti.
Yes, that's correct. Yes. Thanks for pointing it out. Yes. Saha tatra asti. Here also saha shishya asti. The visarga will be al follows. Drop.
No, sir.
No. Visarga will drop. This is something special for saha and yeshaha.
Yes.
For this saha and yeshaha, the word, when followed by consonant, that visarga will drop. Don't do any sandhi. Drop. Just drop the visarga. It's a rule. Similarly, api saha gacchati. Okay, you can do Savitraji.
Api. So api sa gacchati.
Visarga will drop if you do sandhi. Sa gacchati only.
Yeah.
But anyway. Yeah, dvivachanam, laguvachanam.
Api tau gacchatah, api te gacchanti.
What does it mean? Api saha gacchati.
Also, he also goes.
Whenever api is there at the beginning, it is interrogative. Api saha gacchati.
Oh.
Does he go?
Gacchati va, like that.
Exactly. Kim sa gacchati. Sa gacchati va. Yes, exactly. Api, when you put it at the beginning.
Oh, I can't interchange. I can't say saha api gacchati. That is different from api saha.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Api saha gacchati. That could be also, but the intonation you have to see. Interrogative, no, the questioning tone.
Okay.
Right?
Saha api
Next
gacchati va, like that. Okay.
Yeah. Next one, Sandhuraji.
Sayam milati, tau sayam milataha, te sayam milanti.
Here also sa sayam milati. When
Sayam.
sandhi only the visarga is drop. Next one, Sonalaji.
So here also visarga drops. It becomes.
If you do sandhi, yes.
Sa tatra kadapi na gacchati.
Kadapi, not kadapi.
Kadapi na gacchati. So then it becomes tau tatra kadapi na gacchataha. And then te tatra kadapi na gacchanti.
Te tatra kadapi na gacchanti. Yes. Last one, with that we'll stop. Prakashi.
I think his screen is frozen, Sharan.
Screen is frozen.
Yeah.
Oh, his screen. Yeah.
Balaka asti. Ime balakaha santi.
No. Okay. Imaha balikaha santi. Iyam balika asti.
Santi.
Ime balike staha. Imaha balikaha santi. Iyam ime imaha. Okay. So 35. 36 we will do in the next class. Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्तिः 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 हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ धन्यवादः Let's see Wednesday.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
Sharanji, is
Dhanyavad.
that the homework? Those dhatus
Yes.
that we have to.
You can
Okay.
you can do in this format. You want this format?
Yes, Sharanji.
I'll send this.
How many should we do? 10?
You do as many. Yeah, please do.
Okay.
If you're going to do by write, better to write it. Write like this. Or if you soft copy, also fine. If you can do in computer like this, it's also fine. But in the beginning, it's better to write. Then only you will get. I have written like that many papers, scribblings. Then you can practice. Okay.
Sharanji, will you send us what dhatus we need to work on?
This dhatu, what you see in the Rashtriya Samsthan.
Oh, the same. Okay.
2 pages are there. Many dhatus are there.
Okay.
So you can see, try this dhatu.
Okay. Thank you.
You can take any, many are there. You can take 10 dhatus and try. Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay.